Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set photo on call screen in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your iPhone settings, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and click on the phone app. So scroll down until you get to phone and then select it. Come to where you see incoming call, click on it, then set this to full screen. Now that's the first thing. Again, go ahead and open the contact app on your iPhone. Now select the contact. You want to set photo on call. So in this case, let's go for this contact. Just use the contact on your phone. Click on edit at top right. Click on edit again. Select photos. Choose camera or photo library. In this case, let's go with photo library. Select all. Go ahead and choose your photo for this particular contact. So scroll down until you get to the photo you want to use. Then select it. Hang on. Then click on the suggestions to choose your preferred choice. Click on this crop button. Adjust the photo. Click on check mark at the top right. Click on choose. Then this is avatar. You can also come here to select your poster by selecting photo and then select it from your gallery. Then click on check at the top right. And then hang on, click on the check mark again. Then you should see your contact photo and poster here. If you click on this is what you're going to see. And that is it. So that's exactly how to set photo on call screen in iPhone. So when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone, it's going to show this particular photo. And then you are good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.